Hello everyone. Today we are going to see yet another traditional recipe of Sri Lankan cuisine. We call it Kiribath or pal soru. It's a milk rice. Come, let's see how to make it in a very simple method. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Here I have taken 1 cup of white raw rice. This is the rice we use for the Kiribath. I just washed this and I didn't soak, just washed and drained the water. And here I have got about 1.5 cups of coconut milk. First we are going to cook the rice in the water and then we will be adding coconut milk. And today very easily I am doing it in the rice cooker. I am going to add in the 1 cup of rice. And I am going to add enough salt for the rice. Just about half a teaspoon. And I am going to add in 1.5 cups of water and cook the rice. I added 1.25 cup. It's up to you how you want the rice to be. Cook it as normal as you cook the normal rice. Once done, let's continue. While the rice is cooking, let's make the famous Sri Lankan katta sambal to go with this milk rice. For that, I have taken about 1 cup of onion, roughly chopped. I'm going to add this into a blender. Since my blender is small, I'm going to add in batches. And here I have taken about 10 to 15 dried red chilies. It's according to your taste how spicy you want the katta sambal to be. And in goes some famous Sri Lankan Maldive fish. If you don't want, you can skip it. Then it becomes another recipe. It's called lunu miris. But this one, if we add Maldives chips, then we call it katta sambal. I'm going to add this in as well. And I'm going to grind this into a paste. I will be adding a little bit of water. Now let's grind it. I have grounded halfway. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the onions and the Maldives chips. And now I'm going to squeeze in half a lime. If you are doing it in one batch, you just proceed everything together, the lime and also the salt. And finally, I am adding about half a teaspoon of salt. Salt always to your taste, and continue grinding this. Now our tasty katta sambal is ready. You can give it a taste test for salt and lime. If you want to add, you can add more. This can be a best combination for hoppers or plain roti, or else we can even eat it with some steamed tapioca. So our katta sambal is ready. Let's wait for the rice to cook. Now the rice has cooked. Let's open it. Now the rice has cooked to the perfect consistency. Now mix this nicely. And we are going to pour in the coconut milk. Check for salt and close it and cook it again in the rice cooker. Check for salt at this point. If not enough, you can add more. I am adding half a teaspoon more. Mix well. And cook the rice again. Now the rice has cooked for the second time. Let's open it. Now the milk rice is cooked. Now let's transfer it into the serving dish, and I'm going to let it to cool. That's when we can cut it into pieces. You can put it into any shape that you want. If you are making it for your home, you can have it as it is. Now I have shaped it well. I'm going to leave it as it is for about 10 to 15 minutes before we could cut it into pieces. Now let's make it into pieces. Now our tasty milk rice is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.